Hello, Algebra 1 students. This is a video that's going to help you explain how to use an activity that we're going to be doing today called Flipgrid. For this Flipgrid video, you should be on our website. I just want to point out before you actually make it that there is always live teacher support any day that we have class. And I know that all the Algebra 1 teachers are being very flexible with their schedule and allowing and scheduling one-on-one appointments with students if you need that. So please utilize that support so that way you are going through this course still as successfully as you possibly can, despite the untraditional format. Without further ado, so if you go to the April 7th, April 10th folder, the folder is going to look slightly different inside here. So here, waiting for the waiting, and then it's going to look slightly different for you tomorrow, but here's it is. And then there's this links for self-evaluations. If you click that, what you're going to find is you're going to have to go to your appropriate class period. They're all here for you in a lovely different color. And I'm going to go and take you to one of them. I believe it's this link. When you click on one of them, this is just for first periods, but if you click on your own, it will say the correct period on the top. And what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to have to say hello, and you're going to tell us how your quarantine is going, and you're going to tell us how e-learning is going. The reason we're doing this is just so that we can see your face, and so that we can see a video that you're going to make next week, which is going to be on the quadratic formula. And I can't remember if I said that, but it's worth repeating. Now, once you go here again, this is what it's going to tell you to do. And when you scroll down, there's going to be a green button here. Your teacher is probably going to have a different video here. I'm going to remove mine so that way you don't really have to see my face unless you really want to. Maybe I'll keep it there. I don't know. But once you click on that green button, it's going to allow you to record a response. And when you record a response, so I'm talking to the microphone. When you record a response, you'll push this record button, and you just talk into there and let people know how you're doing. You'll record it. You can put some stickers on here or some filters. You can play around with this if you like to see what it looks like, how to use it. Maybe you've used it before. And then once you're all done with it, just go next, and then you can take a selfie. And once you take that selfie, it will upload. So I'll just take a selfie here, then I'll do next, don't close the window, okay, and then we'll just say test, because that's my name. And we'll do submit video, and congratulations test, it's all done. And now when I go back here, it has a picture of me because I did what I was supposed to. I hope that helps you understand how to use Flipgrid. Thanks for watching.